Do you know how to use the verb would? In this video, we are going to learn two very important uses of this verb just by watching a clip from Friends, the famous and funny TV series. Hi, Amir here. For many people that are learning English, would is one of the confusing verbs because it has different and complicated uses and meanings. But don't worry, if you watch this video until the end, you're going to learn two basic uses of this verb. But first, let's watch the clip.
I can't believe what I'm hearing here.
I can't believe what I'm hearing here.
What? I said you had
What I said you had.
Would you stop?
Oh, was I doing it again?
Yes.
Number 1. Monica said, "Would you stop?"
You had.
Would you stop?
So it looks like a question, but it's not a real question. It's a request. When she says, "Would you stop?" she doesn't want to know the answer. It means, "Please stop." So it's a polite way to make a request. For example, if you want to request someone to open the door, you can say, "Would you open the door?" or "Would you open the door, please?" Remember that you can also use will. Will you open the door? The difference is that this one is more polite, but this one is less polite. It's still polite, but it's more direct. Now, let's watch the rest of the clip.
Would anybody like more coffee?
Did you make it, or are you just serving it?
I'm just serving it.
Yeah, I'll have a cup of coffee.
Number 2. Rachel said, "Would anybody like more coffee?" So you can use would like to offer something. In this case, Rachel is offering some coffee. Another example. Someone comes to your home, you want to offer them tea. You can say, "Would you like some tea?" So what's the difference between "would you like some tea" and "do you like tea"? The difference is that in this one, you're asking a general question about their likes and dislikes. But in this one, you're offering them tea. After would like, you can also use a verb. For example, you can say, "Would you like to dance?" So as you can see, we should use to infinitive. Would you like to dance? You can also use would like to make a request. For example, you go to the restaurant, you want to order some pizza, you can say, "I would like a pizza, please." Remember that in everyday speech and informal writing, it's better to use contractions. Contractions are the short forms. For example, instead of "I would like," you can say "I'd like." "I'd like a pizza, please." "I'd like to order a pizza, please."
Hello, I'd like to order a pizza, please. And can I have it with extra grapes?
Grapes? What do you like?
Yes, a pizza with grapes, please. What? You have a pizza with grapes?
Another use of would like is to give a short answer to an invitation or an offer. For example, someone asks you, "Would you like to go to the mountains this weekend?" You can say, "Yes, I would like to," or "Yes, I'd like to." So in this video, we learned how to use would or would like to make a request or to offer something. Now let's see if you can write a sentence using would or would like in a comment below. I would like to read your comments. And if you found this video useful, would you please subscribe so that you won't miss my future videos.